Yeah, I thought the lineup here today was really good. You know, when you're talking 230 odd rams over the whole lot, I wouldn't have seen a better line of rams. You know, the quality of the rams. Yeah, I think it was just out there today. Yeah, it was really good. Yeah, you know, and I guess when it comes down to buyers' competition for the rams, it was there too. You know, so that says it all. When you've got people, you know, that are willing to put like a small fortune out there for rams, and it keeps coming back, well, it's got to be a good thing. Well, our experience with Kieran Poll, we've started on them. I mean, we're only early in the piece with them, but as so far, we're you know, their fertility, size of our lamb growth, everything's going with them. Even though we've had a good autumn, the lambs, I've never seen lambs grow as quick as them. Yeah, like I picked up a lamb there yesterday. She's 12 weeks old and she's 28.5 kilos. We put her on the scales, and that was a ewe that was born in the cold. We lamb predominantly in the autumn, you know, trying to get so we're hoping to get a spring break, and we haven't got the spring break, but the lambs are going ahead. Yeah. Well, I first came to Kieran Foals here around 3 to 4 years ago. I came up here to do a job for Nigel, and we dip around about 500,000 sheep a year, you know, from Barclays Livestock Management, and we see a lot of sheep. And I came to Nigel's, and I couldn't believe the way the sheep ran, the way they looked, the way I used to be a shearer for about 7 years, and just the way they feel in the wool. The wool type's a great thing, you know, big thing for me. Usually I could tell a lot of sheep by the way they handle, and these sheep really appealed to me. And then 18 months ago we decided to go with buying rams. So, and I think it's, I don't think I know that it's going to pay off for us. Yeah. Yep, your lambing percentage, 122%, and we're about to wean here in another 2 weeks. So I think, and from what we've driven around the farm, and I haven't seen any losses. So for us, that's a great thing. You know, when you're having lambs born, and it's always good when you're marking lambs, but I don't really class a lamb till he's weaned, and you know we haven't lost any lambs. Yeah, which is great.
What a sort of the lineup! It was amazing to see 200 rams that were as even as these were, and I was so impressed by the size of them and the whole presentation. Very, very well done. Like, I haven't seen anything like this in the industry before. So, very impressive. What I like about the sheep is that they've got huge body weights and they're long sheep, and I can see that they're going to really add value to our operations.
Yeah, they're just a bigger frame sheep than we're used to, up by a frame score, 1.5 frame scores. I don't know whether we keep sheep like we do cattle, but that's how I'd measure it. But they've just got that more bulk, and the way the industry's going, we've got to grow more meat. I mean, we've got lovely wool as it is, but we don't have enough. We just want to up the scale of the meat and the wool. And the way the wool market's gone, with no premium for superfine wool, there's no point trying to be champion growing superfine wool. You're much better off having a lot more wool, perhaps not quite as pretty, perhaps not quite as smart, but worth a hell of a lot more fleece. A lot more wool per hectare, a lot more return income per hectare, which is where we're coming from. That's a simple part of the equation. I mean, if you can, I mean, we mark over 100% now, but if we can go to 120 or 130%, that's a free ride. Because we don't run a lot of wethers on, we sell them as lambs, wether lambs. So we just got to get them on the ground, get them finished and get them in the bank. And so that's a free ride for us if we can do that.
And look, if you're going to be in the sheep industry, I think you've just got to be going for these bigger bodied sheep. You're going to get your money out of the carcasses. That's where the money is in the protein. Wool is a fibre. The price just isn't there to justify you just growing wool. You've got to grow a good carcass.
What did you say last time we did an analysis on it? When you compare the fibre and the protein price is just ticking up all the time, and the fibre price is ticking down all the time.
We're hearing from a lot of people who have bought your rams in the past that they're getting almost instant results. Like in the first year, they're really noticing the increase in numbers. Yeah.
I just thought it was very even lineup of rams and good thick body rams, and I'm sort of looking for a dual purpose sheep, but still a merino, and I have trouble finding an all-round package, and this is the closest I can find.
The support this year has been absolutely fantastic, especially from southern New South Wales, Victoria and Tassie again, as well as all our normal New South Wales clients. Some of the feedback we've had from clients this year, and especially the new clients, is they're absolutely, I think what gave them a lot of confidence in buying here today was the depth that started at lot 1 and went right through to lot 230. We only decided on Friday to put an extra 30 rams in there when we did that, because we knew we had them sold, but also I didn't want the average skyrocketing out of control, because that's not what we're about. We're about getting good rams out there into the paddock at an affordable price. This is our 5th sale, and the feedback we're having now that we're 5 years old, we're starting to get really good feedback coming from clients, and the first thing we get feedback about is fertility changes, and it changes in it's quite an increase they're getting out of it. And even in the pastoral country, they're sort of in their F2s and F3s, they're looking at that 115%, where they've never seen that before. We've got 6 clients now that are consistently weaning 140% of lambs, and this year, in a fairly tough year, not in this district but in another district, we'll actually have 2 clients sell their wether lambs straight off mum as suckers. And I actually seen those lambs last week and was just amazed at the growth and the good management that went behind getting that result. They deserve a pat on the back, those clients. Part of the reason we're having exponential growth in our sales, now that we're getting really good feedback from our oldest clients, it's pretty much word of mouth now. And one of the things we do that not many studs do, our gates are open 365 days a year. If anyone wants to come at any time of the year, go around all the lambing ewes, look at all the ewe lambs lambing, all our wether lambs, flock ewes, etc., etc. And that's pretty much how we're getting the such a big interest from new clients. Once they've been for a look around, they count the lambs up that are on mums out in the paddock to work out the lambing percentages. They can see it's not a heap of bull's wool. And last year we had heaps and heaps of new clients that had a look around, and last year our flock sheep and the stud sheep averaged 151% of lambs across the whole lot. Standing up behind the podium today, one of the things I really noticed was the age of our buyers. We've got a hell of a lot of buyers now that are under that 35-year-old age group, and they're coming here, and a lot of them are coming out of the well-bred, well-fed schools, lifetime ewe management schools, making more from merino schools, and they've worked out what the combination is you've got to have a profitable merino business, and that is you've got your visual traits, but they've realised now that the actual profit, nearly all the profit drivers in merinos are traits that you can't even see. So, yeah, the uptake of what we're doing by the next generation has been absolutely fantastic. Absolutely thrilled with the result, and so thankful that our old clients and all the new clients that turned up this year and last year have all come back and repeated what they've done, and have a lot of trust in what we're doing, which makes us, takes us to another level with where we go from now on. And I'd just like to thank all the clients for their incredible support they've shown for a 5-year-old stud. To be putting up 230 sheep and clearing them all at our 5th sale has been a fantastic effort by our clients. Thank you.